Auto Workshop. I'm Julien, and today I'm going to show you how to perform your own car maintenance. Once you've jacked up your car and placed an empty reservoir under the engine casing, use a spanner to unscrew the engine oil plug. Let the oil drain out into the reservoir. Replace the oil plug. You can now screw the oil plug back into the engine casing. Use a spanner to tighten it quite hard. Unscrew your old oil filter using an oil filter wrench if necessary. Use your finger to smear oil onto the gasket of the new oil filter to create a good seal. You can now mount your new oil filter. Now remove the reservoir from the fuel filter. Put the old fuel filter into a container. Put the joint back in, using a screwdriver if necessary. You can now install the new fuel filter in the reservoir. Screw the reservoir back on with the new filter inside. To replace the air filter, start by dismounting the motor casing. The air filter unit will now be accessible. All you need to do is swap the old air filter with the new one. Mount the housing of the air filter. You can now add new oil into your engine. 1.8 litres is generally enough for most license-free cars. level of the oil you just added. Don't hesitate to check again after taking your vehicle for a ride. See you soon for more tutorials in the Piecesanspermis workshop.